In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download my YouTube music library. This process allows you to access all your favorite tracks in a convenient format. Let's make sure you get it right step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Takeout Hub. This is a Google service that allows you to export your data from various Google products. When you type in Google Takeout in the search bar, you should see results that lead you to the official page. It is important to access the correct link to ensure you are using the official service. Once you find it, click on the link to proceed. This will take you to the Google Takeout page where you can manage your data. Next, click the correct link and sign in if prompted. If you are already signed into your Google account, you might not see this step. However, if you are prompted, enter your credentials to log in. This step is essential because it ensures that you have access to your own data. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you are signing into the right one. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be taken to the export interface. Now, click Select All at the top of the list to uncheck unnecessary data. This is a crucial step because it simplifies the process by allowing you to focus only on the data you want to export. By default, Google may select all available data, which can be overwhelming. Deselecting everything first allows you to have a clean slate to work from. Once you click this option, you will see all the checkboxes for different data types become unchecked. From there, scroll down and locate YouTube and YouTube Music, then check its box. This option specifically focuses on your music and video uploads. You will see a list of Google services, and the YouTube options are usually near the bottom. By checking these boxes, you ensure that your music library is included in the export. Selecting the right data is vital, as it directly influences what you will receive in your download. After that, in the pop-up menu, click Deselect All, then check Only Music Uploads and Playlists if you want your list text metadata. Click OK to confirm your selection. This pop-up is designed to help you refine your choices even further. By selecting only the music uploads, you can streamline your download to include only the content you truly want. This saves you storage space and time later when you organize your files. Next up, scroll to the bottom and click Next Step. This button will guide you to the final stages of the exporting process. Once you click it, you will be directed to a page where you can configure how you want your data to be exported. This step is important because it allows you to customize your export preferences, ensuring you get the format and size that suits your needs. With that ready, keep Transfer to set to send download link via email. Choose .zip format and select your preferred file size. The zip format is commonly used because it compresses your data, making it easier to download and manage. Choosing the right file size can also be crucial, especially if you have a lot of data. If you select a smaller file size, you may receive multiple emails, while larger sizes will be consolidated into fewer emails. Finally, click Create Export. This action initiates the process and prepares your music library for download. Depending on the amount of data, this can take some time. Once it's ready, you will receive an email with a link to download your files. This step ensures that all your selected content is correctly packaged and ready for you to access later. By following these steps, you will successfully download your YouTube music library. Enjoy your music, and remember, you can always revisit these steps if you need to do it again.